And I have declared unto them thy name, and will declare it, that the love wherewith thou hast loved me may be in them, and I in them. May God bless you. Amen. Tin an hna ihming ka hriat tira, ka hriat tir le fowang nangin keimi hmangai na kha an mania a oma, keipo an mania ka om thei na turin ati a Isua ke mania a om lalpan mal som chero se. Amen.